Hi, David Campanile here, owner of Campanile Law, located in the great state of New Jersey. We do estate planning and we do probate. As always, if you'd like to talk estate planning or probate with me and you'd like to set up a free strategy session, please contact me at njestateattorney.com. So today's video is going to be kind of is the second of probably a sub section of these videos, calling it Change the Mindset. And today's topic is to help change your mindset. Estate planning is not death planning. So the misconception of estate planning is that the only thing we're concerned about is death. Death is something people are just naturally in-tuned to not have to think about. Well, it's sad to say, but it goes without saying. The two things we can't avoid in life are death and taxes. But we can change this mindset when estate planning. And I kind of nerd out with estate planning, especially with clients that are new to the process, that seem to be interested in it, and that pick my brain, and I don't shut up. And I mean, you could ask anybody I'm close with, the second somebody starts talking about the future, I start nerding out about estate planning. And it is a sight to behold. And I'm kind of nerding out right now. But here's what you do. Don't think of this as death. We want to think about this as aspirational, setting up the future generations. I prefer to call this even legacy planning, because our legacy is all that's going to be left once we aren't here anymore. And we're setting up those future generations to have it better than us. It's the goal of any parent. So what do we do? What are we trying to do? And I know in previous videos I've said don't long-term plan, think 1 year, think 3 months ahead of where we are today. But when we think of death, it's morbid, it's not fun, we just want to tune everything out right from there. But you know, we can't do that. We have to plan. And the question I always try to interpret and tell people is, and even ask them, is, do you want to dictate your legacy, or do you want the state to dictate your legacy? Do you want your life prepared for, or do you want somebody else to do that for you? And we really just need to change this mindset and be aspirational. And sit down and think about it, because there's a lot of other things we're not thinking about in this world that we kind of need to think about, and estate planning, legacy planning is one of them. But if you just want to kind of look at it as death planning, then it's just morbid, and it's like, well, I'm just planning for my death, and here we go, and I'm putting myself 6 feet under. It's not really that. We're setting up future generations. We're setting up we're setting up your legacy to make life better. So just think about that. This is more of a legacy. This isn't death. This is more, how do you want to be remembered? You're making that decision. As always, my name is David Campanile, owner of Campanile Law, located in the great state of New Jersey. If you found this video informative or helpful in any way, please hit the like button. Please like our page on Facebook, like our YouTube channel. Comments are always greatly appreciated. If there's somebody that you know is going through estate planning, or you may find this video helpful, please share it with them. Let them know you were thinking about them. And as always, if you want to do a strategy session on estate planning, you can contact me at njestateattorney.com. I'm always happy to sit down and talk and discuss things with anyone. As always, I'm David Campanile, owner of Campanile Law, located in the great state of New Jersey.